going to the river. Let's go get them. It's been a while since I made a video. Been hunting a lot lately. Let's go see if we can catch something though. Alright, I'll change this out for live shad if I can get it, but I got two big night crawlers on a long leader. I think it's 14-pound mono with a 2-ounce weight. Let's see here. Let's see what kind of water depth we have here. The water went down so low. I'm trying a new spot on the river today. Let's try something like that. Perfect. Much shorter rig with this one. Got a night crawler on this one. I'll stick some red worms on the last one. I'm gonna try to get it on this opposite bank. Let's see what we can work with here. There we go. Not gonna bore you with the last rod, same thing. No sooner after this one, I got hit. Yeah, the one I just threw out got hit.
Yeah.
This one.
I gotta check my bank already.
Set it back down. Not a big hit, but it's a hit. Oh, hold on. Squirrel right there drinking water. I was looking at him, and I had a really hard hit on my wing. Fight! Fish on. That's a good one. That's a really good one. Oh, I'm curious to see what this will be. I just threw it out. I was on 3 pieces of cut shad. Oh, never mind. He's sorry. He ain't very big. See what he is though. That's what I thought. Little channel. Whew. Check him out. Got that hook count. Not a bad one. Wait. For our first fish of the day. It's been kind of slow today. Alright. See you later, Junior. Year for him to be bait.
Yeah. Oh, that was a nice fish. What a bite.
It's my ultralight. Oh. But yes, it is. Compared to what I was getting, that's a good bite. And this is a brim now. We could be cooking. Ooh, he is coming in. Oh, never mind. He ain't that big, even if he's a brim. I need one of them electric reels for this kind of fishing. Okay. Blue cat. Hello, fishy. Look at the fishy. So this is a world-class blue right here. Look at his genetics. You see his head and his tail, and see how I almost sound like I know what I'm talking about?
Yeah. He grew up to be 150 pounds one day.
He technically, in theory, could do. I think I'd be like 39, 40, maybe 50.
50 years old.
See you later, brother. Oh, finally a fish. He didn't go very far, did he?
Yeah, oh God, yeah.
What's the time? 6:39?
Yeah. That was the last picture that we got.